So here's my room, 705. Okay, here we go. Okay, so here is our room. All right. So as when you enter, there's a closet in which I've already kept my bag. One of my bags is there. The other bag is here. Let me put it back. Okay. Okay, so this is the closet, a safe, and hangers and all that. Okay, good. Then here you have the bathroom. Hi. There is where we do our duty. And hello, that's me. Hi. And here is our bathing area with a room view. You have shades, so you can pull them down. Anyways, toiletries. So far so good. Okay, so they were offering me a king size bed, but then the king size bedroom did not have the view that I'm about to show you. So this is pretty much it. This side you just have mirrors, a TV. There's my cell phone, 6 years old. I never forget to tell you guys, Samsung A8. So yeah, let me give you guys the view. Oh, there you go. Look at that. There's that gorgeous lake. Beautiful, beautiful lake, right? Just beautiful. There is a sitting area, a glass table, my mask, a sofa, and pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour with me. Okay, so I'm gonna take you guys to the terrace. I'm also gonna take you guys to the restaurant. There's a pool on the terrace, but I'm not gonna go in the pool because it's windy, it's really hot, and I don't want to get snuggled up in a blanket with cold and flu, especially during the pandemic. So I'm going to try to show you guys around as much as possible. It's my first time coming to Gorakhpur. So yeah, super excited. Stay tuned, and there are many vlogs coming soon. So yep, I love you all. Bye-bye.